Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ira and today we are going to make vanilla cupcakes. A perfect recipe for beginners who have just started their hands at baking. They are super easy to make and loved by everyone, especially kids. Okay, the things we are going to need are 1 cup of all-purpose flour, which is approximately 120 grams. Then 1 cup of soft butter, which is approximately 90 gram, half a cup of sugar, which is 100 grams, 2 eggs, which are approximately 100 grams again, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, few drops of vanilla essence, and cupcake liners. Okay, so let's start. For this I have a stand mixer. So I'll be using the stand mixer to make my cupcakes, but if you don't have it, it's okay. You can do it manually by a whisk. So first of all, we're gonna add our butter. Make sure that this is room temperature because then it will be easier for us to mix it well with the sugar. So now I'll start my machine and we'll gradually add our sugar to this. Make sure you gradually keep on increasing the speed so that the mixture comes out to be light and creamy. Till the time my butter sugar mixture is creaming, I'll be preparing my flour. For this we're going to use our flour and we're going to mix it with baking powder. Our butter is light in color and it has developed a very fluffy and creamy texture. So for this now we'll be adding our eggs. I'll be breaking it. And to this only we'll add our vanilla essence. I'm going to mix it just to incorporate air into this mixture. This will make sure that the cupcakes or the muffins are light in texture. And we're gradually going to pour it into this. Make sure to increase the speed. Okay, now that my mixture is ready, we're going to add the flour to this. Make sure to take out the excess. And we're gonna slowly add our flour into this mixture and use our cut and fold method. Till this mixture is getting ready, you should preheat your oven at 180 degree Celsius for 5 to 10 minutes. So my batter looks ready. I'm going to transfer this now to the cupcake molds. I've already added the papers to them, and now we're going to only fill them till half. So use a spoon for this, or you can use an ice cream scoop, but I prefer a spoon. So after filling them, I'm going to tap the batter once, and we're going to put them into the oven at 150 degree for 20 to 25 minutes. So my cupcakes are ready. We can check this through the toothpick test, and yeah, it is clean as we can see this. So enjoy these cupcakes with tea and with your kids, and do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you and happy baking.